get a font's username on TikTok. In this video, I will guide you step by step on how you can get a font's username on TikTok. The first thing you want to do is launch open any web browser, then head over to lingojam.com. Here, you simply want to enter your username. After that, down below, as you can see, there are different fonts. You can basically select whichever you want. For example, I'm going to select this one. Go ahead and copy this. Once you have copied it, head over to TikTok. Now tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner of your screen and get to your profile. Here, select the edit option. Go ahead and erase the current username. Now paste the username that you just copied. After that, go ahead and tap on the save option at the top right corner of your screen. In this way, you can easily get a font's username on TikTok. If you found this video useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.